This is my home away from home.
Viviane Aires is settling into her new space in Rittenhouse Square.
Oi, bonita!
She offers a full menu of advanced treatments, but her focus is on the basics of skin wellness.
I want to go back to the foundation. Make sure you use a moisture lock.
Helping her clients cultivate healthy skin while learning to love the skin they're in.
It's not only the results, it's how you feel about yourself when you take care of yourself.
Her signature facial is highly requested.
It's hyper customized, where I am designing the treatment, a little shot of massage, okay? I'm doing this because we need to detoxify the skin.
Viviane emigrated from Brazil and spent 23 years as an esthetician and massage therapist before starting her own business.
My background always been like 5-star spa resorts. There's no representation in there.
She worked with dermatologists for years and says she learned how to treat skin like hers.
And I was like, okay, one day I want to open my own practice.
She took the leap during the pandemic.
Why did you decide to do it at such a mercurial time?
Well, we got laid off. I started offering virtual consultation.
She first opened shop in Plymouth Meeting.
Few things that I want to recommend
before relocating to Center City.
I want to walk you through my favorite place.
Her new space has a room dedicated to facials.
My intention was to create a haven outside of Philadelphia
with Brazilian decor and music.
This room is my second favorite.
That's her body wellness room to help clients with stress and muscle recovery.
This table here offers infrared light, chakra balancing.
She worked with a chemist to create her own line of skincare products.
I said I want something that was more hydrating, soothing for reactive skin, for skin of color.
She has a calming aloe cleanser.
Very hydrating, especially for this season.
There's the You Glow Girl C Serum.
You want that kind of antioxidant protection.
She runs the business with the help of 2 other women.
I have my wonderful assistant, Ms. Mel. I have another esthetician, Shanika. It takes a village.
Viviane says she hopes clients leave feeling replenished and with a better understanding of their skin.
It's not just the service that you're providing, but also getting women to feel confident in themselves.
Thank you so much for coming. It's all about empowering with the education, and then boom, here are the options.